Umentri rang ba Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma Hakasi Belang Jogata Yo Ula Lumi Jingialang Hayojana Bhavan Secretariat Baniatai Sani Nakabenta Pynkhreh Jogo Jylla Banrakhi Jingdap Sanpo Snem Hakajing Yo Jylla Kabapura Hakasnem Kabanwan Hakani Jingialang lawan bani Shimenta Usembut Menteri rang ba Jylla Uba Preston Tensong Ki Menteri Sarkar Ki MLA Ki Ofisar Ba Kiwi Bani Song Perkhat Kumnu Ban Penlong Yakani Jingrakhe Dap Sanpo Snem Jong ka Jylla Konrad ke sama ulo ong ba iladan katuk ni kijing ajing mut ki babiang ba nakabenta ban penlong ya kani kijing rakhi ndrei la batha ba kindang yai beteng ban ajing mut susu ulo ong ba ka Jingialang kala ajing mut ban penlong ya kijing rakhi hakeleng ki district jong ka Jylla bat ban ithu kerpang ya kitu baro ki beladan kti ha ka ban penyo ka Jylla Umentri rang ba ulo ong ba kalong kebadan kamru ban penuan dori ka syap jong ka Jylla bat kumju ke jingruai ka beha ba ka Jingrakhe jong ka jingdap sanpo Snem ka Jylla Meghalaya ulo ong ba hadien belakut ke dorban mang teka on salumbiang ke Jingialang ban thawi ke executive committee kenang ba kan yo ban pentelon bat penya chakmat yaki kam bat halor kani on sathauru iki sub committee ki ban penya yaki kam kumbala ban syat haki
The entire purpose of really celebrating this is two parts to it. Number one is to really understand and remind our population, our state, our citizens, especially the younger generation, on how we got the state and how lucky we are to have our own state. But the sacrifices that were made by our leaders earlier and the people, because of which we are here today having our own statehood. It is important to remind our young generation about that. So therefore, these celebrations should be done in such a manner that we are able to allow every citizen of the state to connect with the celebration in one way or the other, so that they start feeling what our forefathers and our leaders at that time felt for the state when they were fighting for it. So it's about really reconnecting to Meghalaya, reconnecting to our state, and that feeling must come in. Second part of the celebration also is about where we would like to see our state 50 years from now. So it's about what 50 years we have done, how we got it, where we are today, and maybe work towards a vision for where we would be in the next 50 years. And I'm not saying that we will be able to do everything in that line, but maybe we can lay some of the foundations for that vision and the goal of where the state will be in the next 50 years.